Hey Jody Creatives, welcome back to another exciting class on how to make this beautiful Celtic knot headband you're seeing right here on your screen. It's a very beautiful headband and I know you will love to rock this. So guys, if this is something you know you will love to learn, then let's get right into the class. So we are going to be making that beautiful Celtic knot headband you just saw on your screen, and this is the material we are going to be using. This is a poly material and it's a very stretchy poly material. You can use raw silk, you can use any stretchy material to make it. You can even use a non-stretchy material to make it. All you just have to do is just to put elastic at the back of the headband. So when you're done folding your fabric, you fold it into two just the way you're seeing on the screen, and you go ahead to take your measurement. So the measurement I have here is 11 inches. 11 inches for the wideness of the headband, 11 inches. So the length of the headband is 37 inches. Yeah, 37 inches. 37 inches. Okay, so the next thing you're going to do now is to cut it out, and mind you, it's on fold. We folded the fabric before measuring that 11 inches, but if you are not folding your fabric, please go ahead and measure 22 inches. If you are not folding your fabric, measure 22 inches, but this fabric is on fold, so we have 11 inches on fold. Now after cutting, you are just going to split it open, or you can cut your 11 inches in two places. It's the same place, it's the same method. Your 11 inches, cut it in two places. That's 11 by 37, 11 by 37 into 2, right? Okay, so, and this is what we have. I actually have excess here. I have 38, so I'm cutting out the 1 inches extra. Now this 37 that I cut out was excess at the end of the tutorial, so I had to reduce it by 4 inches. That's 2 inches by the right, 2 inches by the left. So you can just go ahead and reduce yours if it's a stretchy fabric you're using. So if you are done cutting, all you need to do is take it to your sewing machine and just stitch it all the way down and turn it to the right side. That's all. It's very simple and a quick tutorial. So the next thing we are going to do now is to make that knot. So just go ahead, pick one of the fabric, just place it the way I'm placing it in the picture and cross it like this, exactly what you are seeing. Just cross it this way, then take the other one, the second piece, and then put it under one arm. What you cross, you can see this cross that you made, you have two hands. So you take that second one, put it under one of the hand that's under it. You have one hand on top, you have one hand under. So put that one under, then take the other side and put it on top of the other hand, right? Then this opening at the middle, take this other hand again and cross it on top, directly on top. So you have two. It's like you're separating that opening. So you have two opening now, one at the down and one at the up. Then go ahead and take one of the hand, put it under, then bring it out again. Just watch this thing carefully. It's a little tricky, but just rewatch, understand, play it over and over again, you will get it. It's very simple if you just calm down and follow the way I did it in this video. So when you're done, just pull and arrange. Pull it tightly, not too tight, pull it tightly a little. You arrange your knots, you arrange it and make them equal, so one is not bigger than the other one. I hope you're getting that. So when you're done, you measure your head circumference, then you place it. My head circumference is 21 inches. 21 inches. So I have like 25 inches here. So I'll just go ahead and cut out 2 inches from each side. I'll cut out 2 inches from this side. I'll cut out 2 inches from the other side. So 21 inches is fine. So if you go ahead and measure your head circumference and place your head circumference on it, and then if you have any excess, cut it out. So when you are done, just put one inside the other one and fold them together just the way you are seeing in the video, and then stitch it down to keep them in place so the two hands does not start moving around. So just whatever you do from on this side, repeat it on the other side. Yeah, right. So the next thing is to get a pieces of fabric. Get a small pieces of fabric, like it's measuring 2 inches wideness, but the length that you need, just take it round that end, take it round it, and just cut out whatever you have. So when you're done, you go ahead and stitch down. We just want to use to cover the rough edges, that's all. If you have another way to cover your rough edges, go ahead and do that. So you stitch it down just the way you're seeing. You close the other side too, and you turn it out. When you turn it out, you pick the other side and put it inside. Just put it inside the way you are seeing in the video. So when you're done, just tuck it in a little by ½ inches. Tuck it in, then you go ahead and stitch on it. If your machine cannot stitch on it, please use your needle and thread to stitch it. And that's it, guys. We are done. Please, if you watch this video to this end, to this point, please go ahead and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so that when we post videos every weekend, you will be the first to be notified. All right, it's free to subscribe. It does not cost you anything, right? Please support your girl and subscribe to this wonderful channel. Okay, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.